ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಆರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನಮನ್ನಣೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗಿರುವ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಇದೀಗ ವಿಶ್ವ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ 2024ರ ಸಾಲಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಏಂಜಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಲಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 21ರಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಕೇರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೈಕೆಗಾಗಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಂಜಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯು ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಆರೈಕೆಗೆ ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲುವ ಗೌರವವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಆರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಏಂಜಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದಂತಹ ರೋಹನ್ ಗೌರಿ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ನಾವು ವಿಶ್ವ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಏಂಜಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಆರೈಕೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರಂತರ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು.
And Mr. Vinod Kalra, a finance consultant, whose hard work and commitment have made this achievement to this prestigious gold status. Sir, I kindly request you.
Neurology itself is a religion. There is no other religion for him. An auspicious day for us. The word auspicious we use usually for festival. There is a great saying in neurology. Learn neurology. What we do is we search. Stroke in window should never be. I think Dr. Rashid sir took this very seriously in his life because he was scared of probably this statement. He took it very seriously that we bridge. Previously it was thought 2 states, now it has become 3. Neuro has become the bridging for these 2 states. Many times bridging stone for this. Now we are in job, even Tamil Nadu, Andhra. So it is, now coming to the statistics, I won't call a single stroke patient, even if it is not affordable, particularly.
Dhoni or Sachin Tendulkar cannot win a World Cup alone. It's a team. And this award, I am dedicating it to my entire team. My team starts from my akkas and annas, who are the foundation of our stroke unit. From taking the patient out of the ambulance, asking the first question, what time did it happen? This is the first question they ask when the patient is being removed from the ambulance. The annas and akkas are trained to do it here because we are a stroke hospital, so we get maximum number of stroke patients. And from there to transporting patients and in the wards and in the ICUs, taking care of a disabled patient, taking care of his bath, his care, his back care, his bowel needs, bladder is simply amazing. Only such a dedicated team can provide that kind of a care. Hats off to my annas and akkas. You do this well. This award also goes to my nursing staff who are absolutely dedicated from my casualty to the ICU to the wards. Everywhere, there is no question about their dedication, and the results they give us is finally a feather in our cap. My entire neuroradiology staff, Dr. Raghavendra has already spoken, my neurointensivists and my co-neurologists, Rakshit, Raghavendra, my neurosurgeon, Dr. Skanda, Dr. Shruti, who is our pediatric neurologist. She also is involved in pediatric stroke, like you said, pediatric stroke. We have a pediatric neurology unit in our hospital, and my entire neuro rehab team, headed by Dr. Ranjan. This award is dedicated to you all. They are the people who slog it out day in and day out, provide the highest standards of care to our stroke patients.
You have seen such a precise data that you have such a remarkable. I really like to appreciate And the one thing that is mentioned in the starting of the presentation and in the end, that managing a stroke or running a hospital is not only about running a hospital, it's about hospitality. So that's a main thing which you have mentioned, and it's a teamwork. And rightly sir has given thanks to every department, because I also think the same, that if a single person is not doing his job, it's going to make a mark on the hospital level, that someone is going, when he is leaving the hospital, someone, a single patient, so that may have impacted in that, yeah, that person has not treated me well, that nurse has not treated me well. So it's a teamwork when we are working in a healthcare facility. So that's made this hospital a great thing. And related to stroke, I would also like to say one thing, that please, every one of us should, when we are going to home, please remember one thing about be fast. B for balance, E for eyes, F for face, A for arms, S for speech, and D, immediately shift your patient to the nearest hospital, because stroke can happen to anyone. We have seen patients